Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you this barcode scanner. Name is Zebronics and this is the model number. This look like USB 10 scanner, flexible, automatic, LED indicator. This is the stand, power cable, scanner. This is your stand base. This is the stand clamp and this is the manual. And user manual version 3.0. Every detail is given. How to select language, communication process, and barcode setup, etc. This is a device, features, specification, package content, etc. So next video will come with working. So goodbye, take care.